Welcome, friends. Today we are going to see the topic which is very relevant for today's world. Just now, HSC results are out, and so many students are wondering here and there, thinking over what they should do, what they will get, uh, which course should be chosen, select. So here there is a lot many challenges and question marks in the mind of parents also. What to do, how to support a child. Most of time, sometimes it happens like student just choose the course because of his friends or peer pressure, or because of somebody's opinion as a remarkable relative or friend. But it is found that the funding required for that case or for that course may not be you know affordable for parents. So we have to think like, if that course need to be affordable for the parents, first thing. Second, the course should have the promise that the student will put his more efforts to to be successful. Is that he is eligible for that course. If it is a private education, it's really very costly nowadays. So we have to think more that the course we can get as a private or a traditional. If it is traditional, then it is a government finance, and if it is a private, then you need to give a big amount as a course fees. So you have to think about which course you should choose, and what are the returns you want, what are the gains you want from that course. If you are working towards your competitive exam, then your traditional course also will be sufficient for you to become a graduate. If you want to be a professional in any field, then your self finance course, private courses are good, like BMS, BAB, BBI, so many courses, mass media, or culinary science, hotel management, so many courses. But these courses are really costly. So your daughter or son, your child should have the inclination towards it. They should feel like if they want to work in this field, and they will develop it for their future too as a career. Then only you should go for that course. Just for sake of doing graduation or selecting some course, if you are doing it, then after graduation also you may think like, what to do now, I am not fit for the market, or I am not getting good opportunities. So you have to first think over which interest area is yours, what makes you happy to work, uh, where you are really very creative or innovative, what best can be presented from your mind, and what you love to do for long period. So it may be for your future too. So you have to think over it. And then, is it affordable to your parents? Are they okay with funding you? If it is really a big challenge for them also, you should not put them in mortgage, or uh, taking lot of loans. That is not the real way to get qualified. Getting qualified is the way to do your studies at your own, by your own ability, by on your own merit, and by supporting from your parents. It should not be just by through your parents funding. It should be on your ability first. So please think over it, and then choose the right course for you, which may be easy for you to put your efforts, which may be really very challenging for you to grab your potential, and which will help you to produce the result, produce some returns for your family, so that your family will enjoy you as a professional, you as a support system. So take a right and a wise decision when you are choosing a course, so that you should not put your parents into trouble, and at the same time you should not feel that this course is not okay for me after 3 or 2 years. Just before that, give a thought, is that I am capable of doing this much study for this course? Do I like those subjects? May I do this for lifetime? Can I put my efforts more into this to make it more big and excellent? And if it is, then it's your career, it's your good choice, best choice. So put a thought, keep yourself in discussion mode with your parents. Do so many ways to do the research on Google. So you can get the colleges, subject list, fee structures, so many career opportunity associated with any courses. So many things you can do as a research, and then you can choose on what you want to become. So I wish my best wishes for your bright future, and I hope parents will able to help their child in a most efficient way to select on the right course for their future too. Thank you so much. Do pass share this video to the desired one, and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.